Question 62, dito mo malalaman kung, dito yung test kung alam mo ba kung ano yung delegable and non-delegable powers of the CIR. Okay. The Commissioner of Internal Revenue has numerous powers vested in law. Which of the following powers is generally delegable? So, hanapin natin yung delegable. To any subordinate officer, such as revenue officer at saka yung regional director. Una, yung power to recommend to the Secretary of the issuance of new legislative tax regulation, yung RR, hindi po yon delegable. Okay, non-delegable yung naka-X natin ha. Ang power to enter into compromise agreement exceeding 500,000, hindi po yon delegable. Pwede yon sa regional. Pag lower than 500k, pwede yon sa regional director, RD. Okay. The power to examine records to any taxpayer, delegable ito, yung LOA. Pwede yan sa mga examiners ng BIR. Itong D naman, the power to decide disputed assessment that has reached level of formal, hindi ito ma-delegate. Mayroong to decide on, mayroong authorized personnel dito. Pagdating dito sa yung sa disputed assessment, authorized personnel officer. Meron yan. Okay. Okay, so it seems na parang dalawa yung pwede ditong i-delegate. Pero yung pinaka dito na unquestionable na pwedeng i-delegate is yung commissioner, yung yung examination. Okay, balikan natin. Sabi dito, the CIR can delegate most powers such as examination of books and sign warrants distraint. However, yung mga powers to compromise abatement like the BNC, the power to decide final, meron bang BNC dito? Is compromise. Ito ay non-delegable to compromise. The power to decide final administrative appeal, letter D, is non-delegable also. Pero mayroon siyang authorized personnel dito under his wing. Pero ang nakalagay kasi dito such as yung revenue officer at saka regional director. Pagdating dito sa disputed assessment, pag nag-reach na sa kanyang formal administrative level, hindi ito pwedeng ma-delegate sa revenue officer at saka sa regional. Pwede siyang ma-delegate sa kanyang authorized personnel pero doon sa kanyang level, sa national level or sa national office. So, kaya hindi ito non-delegable to their level of RO at saka yung RDO at saka yung RD. Okay. So, the unquestionable na choice natin na pwede ma-delegate talaga at ito nga sa pa nga ito sa may RDO level, regional revenue district pa na office pwede. So that's the answer is letter C in this case.